Happy Monday. Hopefully, everyone is staying safe and healthy. Welcome to a quick Monday announcement. First, thanks to those of you who have emailed, did not realize that the module 2 had been locked. But it is now unlocked and ready for everyone to get started on. I will be processing grades for Module 1 today and tomorrow, especially for those of you who haven't had a chance to do Module 1. Make sure you get in there and do it. There's been a couple of questions that have come up that I thought I would show everyone where a few things are located. If you did not proceed through the zero start here, you might want to go back and take a look at the welcome to our course video. How to set up your emails. This particular welcome to our course video does talk about how to navigate the modules. The other thing that I'm hearing from some is difficulty with textbook. As I said in the opening module, emergency textbook copy is found here under the resource folder. Emergency course chapters 1 through 4, so it gives you a few weeks to get that book. And then the study skills is also there, so you should be able to go ahead and get started on that. I have no way of getting on campus, so I can't copy any other chapters for you. You'll just have to try to hope that Chegg or Amazon or one of those does get you that textbook soon. In addition, I think pretty much it looks like people have progressed through Module 1. And like I said, I will get those graded here soon. The Persistence Project, we are part of the Persistence Project, and I'm looking forward to participating in that. And we are an online course, so it makes it a little bit of a challenge, but I will be setting up a Zoom sign up module for you to sign up for a 15-minute one-on-one over the next 10 days or so, this week and next week. I'll set that window to start at about 8 in the morning and close about 4:30 in the afternoon. So that will give people plenty of time to log in and sign up. For our Persistence one-on-one, get a chance to get to know each other, and since we're in sort of an unusual circumstances, this will be a good time to sort of chat about your goals and what you want to do and how do you want to accomplish those. In addition, some of you have contacted me about ed plans. You can sign up your own ed plan on My Shasta. And if you don't know how to do that, when we chat during your persistence, I'll walk you through that process. Ed plan should be something that is current and something you are working towards, not just a ed plan just to have one. That would be not as useful. If you don't have one, we'll chat about that as well, and I'll help sort of guide you through sort of a modified ed plan as best as I can. This week is super fun. It's about being responsible, and the objectives, of course, are always at the very top. Your readings and or videos will be located under content and reading videos right here. Apply learning, that's all of your assignments. So our discussion post, reading quiz. This week we're going to do some app smashing. So I'll have you guys share different apps that you come across that will help you either with time management and or with goal setting. There's some really interesting ones in the textbook, and then there's some that are out there that I'm hearing other people use. That particular discussion post does not require any responses to colleagues unless you want to. The ed plan is your career part of the second portion of your ed plan project. The library is a get on and find a research article, and the assignment and the video will talk you through how to do that. Of course, give me a call if you have any, or give me an email if you have any questions. And then I'll have you share your articles with each other. Some extra credit points available if you want to respond to a colleague, but you don't have to. Journals, of course, are due on Saturday, and the academic toolkit, which takes 7 days of practice. Uh, this is reading, so it's a 7-day application. I have it set for due on the 31st. That gives everyone plenty of time this week to read it and make your plan and record or reflect on that in a week. Looking forward to chatting with people this week, and hopefully you're off to a great start. Stay safe, and I'll check in with you soon.